Alright guys, what's up? Roostmx back again with another video. Just got home from school today. It's a Monday, it's a hard long Monday, and it's still looking kind of rainy out, and see if y'all can see that. Kind of rainy, and I took the bike out when I got home. I just took it up the street like I normally do, you notice, up and down one time, and let me show you what it already done. So this tire was looking, I mean, the knobs on it were perfect. You can see how the knobs looked. Like that. Now, just from that riding it one time, it started to already round them off. So don't be expecting any road videos unless say I got some supermoto wheels, but don't be expecting that either because that's a lot of money, and right now my money's going to be going on that thing right there, that Jeep. But what I'm doing today is I'm going to be doing a sound test with the what's on it right now. Pro Circuit R304. This is not the shorty, it's just a standard Pro Circuit pipe with FMF Gold Series SST right there. Expansion pipe, expansion chamber, and then I'm going to switch it up with the shorty right here, the FMF shorty, and let y'all hear it. And then after that, I'm going to change it with the factory stock RM250 pop. And then after I get done with all those sound clips, I'm going to throw this expansion chamber on, the stock, factory stock one, and let y'all hear it with, just like I said, with the shorty, the factory, and then the Pro Circuit. So what I'm doing right now is I'm going to set up my tripod, and I'm going to get, I'm going to take this top plate off, and then I'm going to start it up and let y'all listen just so you know which one's on it. And yeah, so let me get this going. So this, like I said, is the Pro Circuit R304 silencer. Here's a sound test of it. Here we go. This is the FMF shorty with the FMF Gold Series SST. Here we go. So now here goes the stock silencer on the FMF, of course. this is a stock factory silencer that comes on the RMs when you get them. So here we go. What I'm fixing to do right now is I'm going to change out this expansion pop, with the factory right there, and do it all over again and let y'all hear a difference. So here's what it looks like with the stock expansion chamber on it. Gonna do the same order, Pro Circuit, Shorty, then the stock, and then that should be a video for y'all. So let's get this going. So here it is with the Pro Circuit R304 and the stock expansion chamber. We're gonna start it up now and let y'all listen. Alright, so here's the FMF Shorty with the stock pop on it, and I'm going to start it up, let y'all listen. Alright, so there's the FMF Shorty. We're going to throw on the stock pop and I'll get back with y'all. Alright, so I forgot to do a little time lapse of putting this pop on, but it's on. This is full stock exhaust setup on the RM250, so let y'all listen. Alright, so here's the decision I chose was, of course, the FMF Gold Series. And then I liked the FMF Shorty Pop. I liked how it sounded. I'm going to do another little startup with the FMF Shorty on it and show you how it's going to sound from now on. Alright guys, so yeah, I didn't notice it until just now. If you see this glare right here and everywhere, pretty much just about everywhere, I cracked my phone, my tripod, it fell out as I was doing those time lapses and stuff, putting the pops on and changing it. Just turned it on the front camera as I see it's cracked. So I'm gonna buy a new phone because it's time for a new phone anyway. So I gotta buy a new phone probably sometime this week. So if the front camera is going to be like this for probably another video or so. It's not too bad like this, but in the light you see it gets pretty bad. But yeah, let me know down in the comments which one you thought sounded the best and which one you liked the best. I personally like the FMF Gold Series pop with the Shorty silencer, which is what was in that video clip you just saw before of me riding it. And honestly guys, you seen it popped up on that wheelie pretty much just about the whole way, and I popped it back up again. That, I mean, it's crazy how much it changed. I didn't think a pop could change a bike that much. I knew it changed a little bit, but since it's already had a pro circuit on it, I didn't think it would change it that much, but it did. So let me know down in the comments which one you thought sounded the best and everything. And also, I hope this helped y'all to pick out a pop for your 2-stroke 252 stroke. And yeah guys, comment, rate, and subscribe for more videos like this. Check out my channel if you haven't already, and make sure you click that little bell next to the red subscribe button if you haven't. And I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.